Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to work on getting rid of all the Christmas stuff for this year. Today's January 5th, so I'm kind of taking things down a little early, but I just want to get everything cleaned up. And there's Kaya being cute. So I am gonna work on cleaning this up with Derek. He's gonna help me get the tree down because I don't like to do that and I'm not gonna do it. So but I'm gonna get rid of all the Christmas stuff and just get the house back in order and organize Amar's little play area again next to the living room. So let's just get right into it. The tree, for whatever reason, the lights at the top just don't work anymore, so that's fun. So we might get a new tree for next year, but we'll see. If not, we'll just buy like a short string of lights and put them in there. But for now, we're just gonna put the tree away. So I'm gonna put all the ornaments away. Over there I have like acorns and those little lantern things. There's not much over here. This stuff here, I'm gonna get all rid of the Christmassy things, the tree, and then gotta put all this stuff away, and the stuff up there, put that away, and just a couple things over here, the garland and the bows, and then the stairs gotta clean that up. So should be pretty quick, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're done.
Perfect. Perfect.
So as you could see, I got rid of all of the Christmas things, especially the stuff that was here. Now I have to figure out what to put there. And then we have her little play area back in the corner. We left the couch or the chair back there, and I just changed out the pillow, put that little side table back between the couch and the pillow, and that's where we had it before we brought the tree in. Got rid of the Christmas pillows over on the couch. And then over on the fireplace, I just left that green wreath with the little white bubbles on it because it's not very Christmassy, it's like wintry, so I left that one up there. As far as the table here, Derek's doing a puzzle, so I'm gonna let him finish that puzzle. And then I did leave the little white placemats, and I brought these plates down. And then these are runners that I have to clean because there's some food on these, but this one's the Christmas one that I have to wash, and then this is the one that I'm gonna put on the table when he's done with the puzzle. Over here, this is basically the same, just got rid of the garland. And then finally over here, the steps are cleared off, and that right there is just the curtain that I'm gonna hang up there. So we have the curtain rod right here. We're gonna put that up probably tomorrow, and then that navy curtain up there. So I have these two navy curtains here, so this is gonna finish that off and we'll be done. So that's basically it.